What's up YouTube? This is the cheapest power supply I found online. I was really on a budget back then when I bought it, and I was trying to make the cheapest computer ever, you know, the $200 gaming computer. So I bought this power supply and it only lasted me about 3 months and it stopped working. So I really wanted to give you guys basically telling you don't do this and also see what's inside, what makes it so cheap. There's like a security sticker that's already ripped off when it came to me, so I'm not really sure if it was new or not. But buying a $15 power supply, it's just not a good idea ever. And I'm very happy I used the fire extinguisher as a protection for myself when I was using this on the $200 gaming computer build. So you know, you can find, and like now that I learned this, I'm only buying power supplies from EVGA, and they do have good prices. I mean, you can find one for maybe $30 for a very basic power supply, and it comes branded, comes with warranty. You can probably use this one, even though it comes with warranty, probably not gonna work anyways. So let's see what we actually get inside. I don't know much about power supplies, but I do see a fan. Seems to be there's two fans in this, and it does turn on, but for some reason there is actually no power at all. The inside actually looks super cheap. It looks like one of those really old electronics from the 90s. And I'm not sure what's not working in this, but that's the inside I wanted to show you guys. And let's take a look how the soldering job was. Let's see if it's like, was it a 3-year-old or a 5-year-old kid who soldered this? Was it a machine? We're gonna find out right now. I'm probably thinking that a kid was soldering this thing in China. That's probably why it didn't work. It heat up a little bit and then soldering probably, you know, fell off or something. At least I see that there is a cable for the ground. I see a ground cable there, so that's good. I mean, I guess we're not gonna get shocked. If that happens, it will go to the ground and hopefully not shock us in case this thing shorts, which it probably will over time. But yeah, 15 bucks for a power supply. Oh man. Okay, let's see the soldering job. I'm really curious right now to see what are we getting for that money. Can I salvage anything from this? Probably not. The fans are crap. Alright, here's the soldering job. Oh man, let me zoom on this. Do you guys see that? Oh my god, this is one of the nastiest soldering jobs I've ever seen. Worse than my soldering jobs. Oh man, you can see why this is so cheap. Oh, look at that one. Yeah, this is so nasty. So it can just, you know, if it moves like a millimeter, it will touch another socket here, and this could be a big problem. Look at that, they didn't even cut it all the way. Very lazy job, very cheap job, dirty, and like too cold of a solder job right there. So yeah, this is for the thumbnail. Oh man, don't ever buy a $15 power supply. For the safety of your equipment and the safety of your home, please invest in good power supply, brand name, brand new, and hopefully it will work longer than mine. For the giveaway, check the link below. I'm giving away a few gift cards from bitcoinmerch.com. And don't forget to like the video if you like it, dislike it if you didn't like it. Comment below if you ever encounter a problem with a power supply like this. Mine turned on and still the computer didn't work, so it took me an hour just to figure out it's the power supply. So annoying. Did you have a problem like this? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.